knew I wanted to be a ship pilot when I first boarded a ship. From that moment, I knew that I wanted to be ship pilot. As a cadet, I traveled to UAE, Dubai, Australia, India, China, Guinea-Conakry, Singapore, and South Africa.
I found my average days quite interesting. The sea conditions are never the same. Those factors make each maneuver unique. What waits in my day-to-day at work is the responsibility that I have. On one side, to transport the pilot safe, their lives are in my hands, and on other side, the movable equipment that has been entrusted to me.
Go ahead with your dreams, do not stop. You only need to have a plan A, B, C, and be focused.
I do not allow myself to give up. To fail, to make mistakes, it's normal, but I don't allow myself to give up.